G'day, welcome to Pay It Forward. Today is Masterclass launch day. It's finally here and I'm ready, I'm charged. I thought I'd be nervous, but I'm just excited. And look, my husband even bought me a lucky Mickey tie for the occasion. So look, I hope you're all excited too. And that all important link to my Patreon channel is in the description box below. So you'll be able to head over there and check it out. Now remember that my masterclass is put together almost exactly the same. You'll find it's the same to navigate. All of the videos via YouTube. It's just a private account. So once you are subscribed and have that link, you're all set, and you're going to find there ready waiting for you my beautiful art doll goat with all of her accessories and clothing for you to make up, or you may wish to make up our first little mohair bear project, and this is Oliver and he's ready to go too. So remember too that it's a subscription based process and you're not tied into anything, so you can join for a month and then you can unsubscribe at any time, no contracts, anything like that. So in celebration of our launch, I actually have the basic mohair kit with joints and beautiful premium glass eyes, and this beautiful curly Ratinay cognac, beautiful brown cognac colour. This is the fat quarter you need to make up little Oliver. And so I'm running a little giveaway today. So here's the thing, somewhere in this video I have dropped a movie quote, or maybe I haven't yet, but somewhere in this video I've dropped a movie quote, and the first person in the comments to tell me the movie that the quote comes from and the actor or actress who delivers the line. So if you know me and you've watched some of my videos, you know what some of my favourite movies are, but this one's a bit tricky, so you're gonna have to have a think and listen hard. But the first person to tell me those two things in the comments below, I am going to send this out to you wherever you live in the world, and you'll be able to start Masterclass already prepared. So look, everybody, I hope to see you there. I hope you will have a creative week. If you're just staying with me on Pay It Forward, I have a new project coming up this week. Very exciting, so look forward to that. In the meantime, everybody, just stay safe and of course keep being creative, and remember to pay all of those good things forward. So now it's hooroo from me.